So students, in this video you are going to study about cleansing action of soap. Okay, cleansing action of soap. Okay, as you all have studied that the formula for soap is C11H35 COO negative and A positive. This is the basic formula for soap. The molecule of a soap has the following structure. Okay, this is what we call hydrophobic part, and this one is hydrophilic part. Okay, this is hydrophobic part and this is hydrophilic part. Okay, so this hydrophobic part is basically this hydrocarbon chain. Okay, this hydrocarbon chain is known as the hydrophobic part, and this part is known as hydrophilic part. Okay, so one thing which you have to know here is that the hydrophobic part, as the name is phobic. Phobia means anything from which we are afraid. Phobia means afraid or fear. Fear. Phobia means fear. Okay, so hydrophobic doesn't means that it is afraid of, it is part is afraid of water or anything. It means that it is water repellent. Okay, so basically this part is away from the water. This hydrocarbon part, this hydrocarbon tail is away from the water, and this part, that is the hydrophilic part, is towards the water. Okay, so first of all, assume that this is any kind of oil, grease or dirt. Okay, so the molecules of the soap attach itself in this manner. The hydrocarbon tail which is away from the water gets attached to the dirt, while this hydrophilic part remains in contact with the water. Okay, so many of these molecules get attached to the dirt or oil or grease which we want to clean. Okay, okay, so this is how many of the molecules get attached many of the soap molecules get attached to the dirt which is to be cleaned. This hydrophilic part, it remains in contact with the water, and this hydrophobic part, that is the hydrocarbon part, remains away from the water and gets attached to the dirt. Okay, so this is what we call it as micelle. Okay, this is and the process is known as micelle formation. So this appeared substance is known as micelle. Okay, so when we wash it, then the micelle comes out from the water. Okay, so this is how the soap cleans any kind of dirt present in any substance. Okay, here few things which may be asked in your exams. One is CMC. This CMC is basically critical micelle concentration. Okay, this CMC is basically critical micelle concentration. Critical micelle concentration means the concentration at which the micelle formation starts. Okay, this is known as the critical micelle concentration, means the minimum concentration at which the micelle formation starts. Okay, so this is what we call micelle. Okay, again I am repeating it. A soap molecule consists of two parts. One is the hydrophobic part and one is the hydrophilic part. Okay, the hydrophobic part gets attached to the dirt and the hydrophilic part remains in contact with water when and it forms many molecules of soap attached to the dirt, and they form a cluster like substance which is known as micelle. Okay, and when we wash clothes, then this micelle is removed out with the water. Okay, so this is how the clothes or any substances are cleaned. Okay, and the most important and one thing which is important in this part is critical micelle concentration, which is the concentration which is the minimum concentration which is needed for micelle formation. So critical concentration is basically the concentration at which the micelle formation starts.